Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Are Subarus cars reliable? Subaru is known for its dependability. The proportion of problems, their regularity, and their severity are all factors in deciding the reliability of a car. Subaru automobiles appeal to a broad spectrum of buyers because they are cost-effective and attractive. Subaru automobiles have made a name for themselves among thrill seekers. Its distinct look makes it stand out on the highway. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Are Subaru's cars reliable? Subaru has a higher level of dependability than the majority of automotive companies. Subaru is ranked 14th out of 32 automobile brands, with an overall reliability rating of 3.55. Subaru automobiles are rated as having an acceptable level of dependability. Most drivers choose this brand because of its high safety requirements and long-term value. It is, however, a tad costly when compared to its rivals. Subaru has a reputation for being dependable and having excellent build quality in the past. It's challenging to beat the Subaru Boxer engine's top-notch performance, safety commitment, and well-crafted engineering and technology. Subaru consistently delivers on its promise of providing the most outstanding possible driving experience. What are Subarus good for? In this section, we'll go through the many selling elements of the Subaru brand in greater depth. 1. Affordability. Subaru cars are not less expensive than cars from other manufacturers. Getting behind the wheel of a Subaru will almost certainly cost you more, and fewer incentives will be available. On the other hand, all new Subarus come standard with all-wheel drive, which is a choice on most other brands. Furthermore, the devoted Subaru customer is willing to spend a higher price to remain loyal. 2. Technology. In terms of advanced features, Subaru is well known for being innovative. Most Subaru vehicles include cutting-edge technology that puts them years ahead of the competition. You will, however, be charged for the services you receive. Because of its superior technology, Subaru vehicles frequently cost more. 3. The price of maintenance. When compared to other brands, RepairPal estimates that these prices are typical. Each task's cost is in line with the national average. Furthermore, it requires fewer repairs and maintenance visits compared to other solutions. On the other hand, the severity of the issues that do arise appears to be slightly higher. 4. Performance. The Subaru lineup isn't bursting at the seams with horsepower. The company instead emphasizes dependability and functionality. While some automobiles do better than others, this isn't the norm. On the other hand, Subaru is designed to be a daily driver capable of adventure. 5. Engine. Subaru's engine is a one-of-a-kind design that is known for its dependability. Traditional engine configurations are less reliable, steady, and robust. While there have been some engine troubles throughout the years, Subaru's lineup is generally dependable. Most Subaru drivers will back up assertions that they will last longer if the engines are properly maintained. Where are Subarus? Subaru produces most of its vehicles in Japan, except in the United States. Subaru only has 2 car manufacturing plants in Japan and the other in the United States. It produces almost all its vehicles in Japan, and many of its suppliers are also based there. This contrasts Honda and Toyota, which have significant manufacturing operations in North America. Toyota is the firm's largest single shareholder, owning 20% of the corporation. Subaru obtains access to steel and other raw materials manufactured by Toyota's supplier network as part of this agreement. Subaru has only 2 assembly plants, compared to Toyota's dozens worldwide, making it a lesser automaker than some significant players. How reliable are Subaru Foresters? Subaru Foresters are known for their high quality and excellent safety features. They design their vehicles to be durable and dependable on and off the road. It has an above-average dependability rating from RepairPal, according to the company. The Forester scored 3.5 out of 5 stars, placing it 21st among 26 compact SUVs. Regular oil changes, fluid flushes, and fuel system cleaners are all examples of preventive maintenance. Additionally, keeping your automobile's exterior and underbelly clean will extend your vehicle's life. It will last longer if it is kept out of the harsh desert or tropical sun and away from the rust-inducing salted roads of winter. How reliable are Subaru Outbacks? Against the competition, the Subaru Outback boasts above-average reliability ratings. Regardless matter the source, the Subaru Outback is a dependable wagon. On RepairPal, the Outback has a 3.5 out of 5.0 reliability rating. It also came in 14th place out of 32 vehicles in the same class. It was ranked 10th out of 26 midsize SUVs in the category, with average ownership expenses. Subaru is recognized for making vehicles that endure a long time, and the Outback is one of the most popular members of Subaru's high-mileage club. It can easily exceed 200,000 miles if properly maintained and serviced regularly. Are Subaru BRZ cars reliable? If you're looking for an economical rear-wheel drive sports vehicle, the Subaru BRZ is a fantastic option. Overall, the Subaru BRZ has a dependability rating of 57.15, which indicates that it is a very reliable vehicle. The new BRZ features a punchy and dynamic boxer engine, a smooth shifting manual transmission, graceful handling, and a refined ride. The cabin is well built and equipped with user-friendly features, and the front seats are incredibly comfy for long periods. Are Subaru engines reliable? Subaru automobiles are equipped with particular boxer engines. It is well known for its dependability in addition to its high-performance capabilities. Subaru's engine reliability had deteriorated since the early 2010s when the brand peaked. This could be due to several factors. There aren't as many Subaru models as Toyota and Ford models. This implies that the entire brand suffers if one or two models become unreliable. Subarus are also less dependable because of its hefty repair expenses. Because there aren't many Subarus in the UK, repair expenses are very high. How reliable are Subaru Imprezas? The Subaru Impreza is an average option that can serve as an excellent compact vehicle depending on the driver. It has a dynamic appearance, a user-friendly infotainment system, and many passenger rooms. The Impreza boasts excellent fuel efficiency and a high safety rating. Consequently, the Subaru Impreza has a reliability rating of 49.45, indicating that it's on average. Another advantage is Impreza's standard all-wheel drive, which is uncommon even as an option in this class. However, some purchasers may be turned off by the sedan model's poor acceleration and small trunk. In conclusion, Subaru's models are relatively reliable because of their standard all-wheel drive system and additional safety measures. The issue is that, with fewer models than top competitors, any tiny flaw reduces the brand's competitive possibilities. Even though most Subaru models have yet to win a reliability award, the Outback, Legacy, and Ascent have won numerous reliability and safety accolades. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.